Happy Republic Day to all. My name is Khanvisha Kalimullah and we the students of 7th day are going to present our art gallery. But before I start, let me tell you about this auspicious day. Why we are celebrating Republic Day? Because on this day, India got its constitution. It reminds us of our rights, duties and importance of democracy. Let us honor this day and work for a better nation. Let me show you my painting. Wow, look at this beautiful picture. Wow, my school has so many artists. Look at this painting. Wow, I can't believe. See, they are so beautiful. See, my school has so many artists. They are looking so much beautiful. Wow, look at this wall. This painting made by primary school. Wow, look at this. There are so much beautiful pictures.
Hello, my name is Sana and my painting shows soldiers on mountain celebrating the flag with flames and the Ashoka Chakra to celebrating the Republic Day. Hello everyone, my name is Aliza. My painting shows people and children saluting the Indian flag in our village. Hi, my name is Zoe. Can you guess my painting? This is my painting. Painting shows India Gate and Indian flag and planes flying in the sky to celebrate the pride of your nation on Republic Day. To celebrate the beauty pride of our country on Republic Day.
Hi, I am Hamza. This is my painting India Gate with our national flag. With our national flag made with show and respect and love for our country on Republic Day.
I hope you like all the paintings. But I have also made a painting. See, look at my beautiful drawing. It's so pretty. My painting shows the map of India, famous monuments and the tricolor given a Republic Day. Thank you.